gonna need that guy. All right, what do we got? There's bar oil. We got a little project today. Taking down some trees. I got the Sany little mini X out, and I'm trying to push back a little brush from the side of the road. All right, let's get going. We are using today a 16-inch DeWalt 60 volt 9AH amp hours little electric chainsaw. It does take bar oil just like every other chainsaw, but I don't have to mix up gas. Just have to make sure you have extra batteries. But I'm pretty impressed with this DeWalt. I'm not getting paid. They didn't give me this. I bought it myself. I got the Sany out today. We've been moving some dirt and taking down trees. So I took down 2 trees, 2 good-sized trees, and dug up the roots, stumps, and been pushing brush around. I want to get this leveled down here. You can see I leveled this area on the side of the road, just kind of pushing the brush back a little bit and leveling this down. It kind of creeps in. You can see this side over here. You can see how the brush starts to creep in on the sides. And if you don't keep it back, it starts to hit the cars as they drive by. So I haven't gone up to here yet. Past here, I should say. So that's what I'm doing. Just clearing this back, making it nice and flat on the side so I can mow this, keep all the brush back. We don't have to worry about stuff hitting the cars. Got my ears on so I can listen to music. All right, I'm going to put that over there. What is this? Find these every once in a while. It's a Coca-Cola bottle. Still got the lid on, the screw top. It's not that old, it's got the screw top. 16 fluid ounces. We'll keep it. Well, still on the same battery as the saw, but I got the brush kind of pushed back. It looks okay. Leveled it down. Looks all right. Down here near the property line, I got this high spot of dirt, and I know it's where Charlie, my grandpa, when he bladed this road with his bulldozer, he just kind of left a big old mound there, and over the years it's just grown brush and weeds and small trees. So I got to dig that out and then just blade it down this way. I got some big logs in here that are garbage. They're not worth firewood. There's one piece of firewood up in there that I need to pull out and then pile up all the stumps and the logs. But back in here, around this corner, this is the edge of the property line. I need to get back up into here and work on this. There's a bear up in there somewhere. But there's a big hill. Oh, right there. Did you see that? See that movement? Coyote or something over there. Maybe a deer. I hope it was a deer. I'm going back this way. Now that I think about it, it's probably a deer. But yeah, it looks okay. I didn't get over into the road at all. There's some stuff on the side. But that's another thing for another day. Yeah, looks okay. At least it's back now. You know, good 20 feet. Now, next I gotta do this side. That big old maple tree right there. This is only February. And these small trees, there's a cherry tree right here. No blossoms. My neighbor has a cherry tree, wild. It's just wild cherry. And she's got blossoms on hers. So, makes me kind of jealous. But oh well. Yeah. You know, so this stuff over here, this wispy stuff, that is a vine maple. I hate those things. They just, if they touch, the tips touch down on the ground, they start rooting and then they sprout up again. Horrible. Horrible. Yeah, here's the logs for the neighbor man. He can come by and pick them up whenever he wants to with this little John Deere tractor. All right. I found this another one. I must have kicked it around a little bit. It's got some words on the top of Coca-Cola and some letters I can't quite make out. 16 fluid ounces. 1 pint. No, 2 of them. All right, you guys have a good day.